Whenever you've been involved in an accident with a large semi-truck, you need to talk to an attorney immediately because you have to move fast. The trucking companies have their accident response teams that are immediately on the scene or dispatched to the scene to get to work on the accident and get the information they need to defend the claim. There are black boxes in trucks that record information, how fast the truck was going, when did they hit the brakes, all information like that, which you may need as evidence against the trucking company when it comes time to settling your claim or pursuing a lawsuit. So you need an attorney who's going to get out there and start investigating immediately to make sure that evidence is preserved, because evidence which is damning for a trucking company or is not good for their side of or version of the facts oftentimes has a habit of disappearing if there's no one there to make sure that that evidence is preserved. That's something that you almost have to have an attorney to handle because it's very difficult to do yourself. No one would even know how to handle that kind of situation. And when you're dealing with trucking companies, you're not just dealing with one insurance company like you would if you're dealing with someone in a regular motor vehicle. There are different insurance companies involved. There's the cab of the truck is sometimes different than the trailer. Sometimes there's insurance companies for both of those. Sometimes the driver works for another company who's leasing the cab. There's all kinds of parties involved, and which just makes it even more complicated dealing in a trucking accident, which is another reason you really need to have an attorney.